What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. I'm back with some fire information for you because I want you to watch this video all the way to the end. Because here's the thing, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with no money. And you can make $500 per month in passive income. That's right. So $0 to start. You do not need any money to get this going. Don't try to skip ahead and miss out all the good information, because I'm going to show you two ways how you can even start your affiliate marketing and you can make money for absolutely free. So yes, no money needed to start, and you can make $500 if you do this correctly in passive income. And the good thing about this, how to make passive income, you only need to do all the work up front, and everything is going to be coming in the future months. So people always say, well, there's no such thing as passive income. Absolutely, there is passive income, but some people look at passive income as doing absolutely nothing. So I'm going to show you how this is possible, how you're going to start for absolutely free with no money with affiliate marketing and make $500 per month doing this method. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. If you're brand new, let me know in the comment section that you're brand new. Let me know where you're watching this video from, so that way I can see how far my videos are being viewed all over the world. So here you can find lots of great videos. So feel free to just come through here, like, comment, share. And if this video is not something that you're looking for, I'm sure you can find more things down here as well. So let's dive into the video, how to start affiliate marketing with no money and make $500 per month in passive income. Now, this tool, everybody needs a software tool to use. And if you want to sign up for this, it is absolutely free. They just started this, so you can become a part of it. You can sign up and you can get on board at zero cost. So AWeber just announced that they're doing a free sign up. You could sign up for free. And after 500 email subscribers on your list, guess what? You can then have to pay for it. So how we're going to do this is we're going to show you how you're going to promote this, how you're going to get this in front of the right people, because anybody could sign up, but not everybody knows how to get customers in affiliate marketing and start making passive income. All right. So as I said, I'm going to leave a link down below. So if you want to sign up, use my link. If you just want to go straight to the website, you can do that as well. Not a problem. So become an AWeber advocate, meaning that you're going to be an affiliate marketer. So you just sign up, you put your name, put your last name, email address, phone number, website URL. You know, I've never filled out the website URL, but if you do have a website, great. If you don't, you can just put your Facebook information here. Company name, you don't have to worry about a company name because you don't have a company. Location, you can put an address, you can put this. Make sure you put in the right information right here. You will see the different countries that are able to sign up. So you can look to see if you have your country. For people who live in the US, of course, you're going to have to put a tax ID. You're going to have to put a social security number or a social. You know, you got to put that in because you have to fill out a 1099 at the end of every year. So they're going to make sure that they send that over to you. Minimum customer referral here. You can see you can make $1,000. You can make $500 every month. Get paid. So this is residual income that you get, passive income just by referring people. So you can put your PayPal address in because now they're moving from mail to now digital. So put in your PayPal, and then once you do that, all that information, now you're gonna get a special link, and that link you can send people directly to for them right here for them to sign up, right? So this is exactly how it will look like if you click on the sign up tab. So if you send your affiliate link, it will look somewhat like this. So get started with AWeber today. And if you don't know what AWeber is an autoresponder that sends out emails to customers, because every business needs an autoresponder. You will not survive if you don't have an autoresponder. And most people think that, oh, email is dead. Email is not dead. Just so you know. email is still crushing it. So once you have the affiliate link and somebody go here and they could sign up, as I said, I'm going to show you 2 ways how you could go out there and you could do this where you can get money, because once it's free, people are going to sign up. Are you going to make money in the first month? Maybe not. Second month, maybe not. But then after a while, when these people start collecting subscribers, that's when money start kicking in. So we're thinking about long term. We're thinking about the future. That's why it's passive income. Do the work, get as many people to sign up. Once you get as many people to sign up, then you're going to be ready to go. So once they fill it out, now you're going to get your special unique affiliate link. As I said before, my affiliate link will be in the description. So make sure you sign up for it. So, or you can just go to the website. You want to head on over to the website that is called Quora. Quora is a very busy website, and there's a lot of people on here who are starting or just starting out how to make money online or affiliate marketing. The reason why I like AWeber, because AWeber is affiliate marketing friendly. It's a biz app. You can do so much with it, and they're not going to shut you down. The next thing about AWeber, how you can connect your, do affiliate marketing with it. You can also build landing pages, capture pages on their actual website. So I don't know if that section is free. I know you could sign up for free. So you can look at it and you could see how you could do it. And I was very happy that people actually sign up, because if you can get a landing page and an autoresponder, you can get started right away, right? You can get started and you don't have to, if you're low on budget, sign up, make things and start making money. So you can go on Quora, you can go to the affiliate marketing section right here, and right down here you could see lots of people start posting, right? You can come through here. What is the best affiliate marketing program? You could tell she wrote this, right? She's probably got some affiliate link somewhere in there. You can even comment on some of them. What is the best affiliate marketing program? What is the secret to make money online? There is no secret. This person they're just writing reviews or going information. So you can type in, how do I start affiliate marketing? All right, because people always want to find out, how do I start affiliate marketing? Right here, you can click on this. And once you click on this, you could just go through here. So you see, here comes one of my yes and no answers. So people in the comment section, you can write this. You can make little posts here onto the Quora website. And then you can then share your affiliate link. Share your affiliate link. You can go over to Twitter. You can do the same thing as well, because people need autoresponder. And not many people know that you could sign up for free. So most people know, because they recently, I mean about 3-4 weeks ago shooting this video, they just rolled this out, right? And I had a lot of people already signed up for it, and they already starting to collect their subscribers, because AWeber is considered one of the best when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't want to do this as well, here's what you could do. You can write a review. So you can go to medium.com, create an account, and then you can start a new story. So you could come here and you can write, what is the best autoresponder system out there? You could type what autoresponder I can sign up for free. So then when you write these articles and you put some pictures in it, then the next thing you're going to do is publish it. And then once you publish it, it's going to look something like my stories. I'm going to show you some of my stories that I publish, right? Some of these stories that I publish, so you can make it look good, right? You can add some pictures on there, type it out. This has nothing to do with AWeber, but you get the idea. You can look at other people's things as well, and you could do the same. So just write it out, put your affiliate link. You're going to have a barrage of customers going to be signing up. So they're not going to sign up for the affiliate. You're going to sign up for the affiliate, so you can get your link, so you can send them directly here for them to sign up. And then once they sign up, I'm telling you, if people are getting a lot of subscribers and they're making a lot of money, the next best thing they're going to do is they're going to upgrade. That's how it is. So that's what I wanted to share with you, of how you can make, how you could start affiliate marketing with no money and make $500 per month in passive income. As I said, it's not going to happen next week. It's not going to happen next month. But if you get as many people to sign up, eventually the money is going to kick in. So get as many people to sign up and you're going to be good. So check out the first link in the description for my #1 way of making money online. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.